Welcome to the world famous Guaranty RV Supercenters right here in Junction City, Oregon. My name is Gary.Christiance, serving the dealership since 1981. Got a great product, an ultra lightweight Outback. Come on inside and let me show you around on this floor plan. How do you make a lightweight trailer with all the room and have it short? Well, the bedroom comes out the back. Come on inside and let me show you. Now this is a power slide room, so you just push a button and this all comes in, and you can see the tracks up on top. But you got a nice gorgeous bed, good ventilation all around, storage up on top, ducted air conditioning, nice dinette, couch that makes down into a bed, so it sleeps quite a few people. Great counter space. Very large single sink. I really like not having the divider between them. You got a lot of space. Got 3 nice drawers in here. I think the silverware should go up here, huh? Got enough room for a trash can, so they put one in there. So it's got a lot of room. 3-burner stove, oven, microwave. Good storage up on top, and they got a shelf up here to make it more versatile. Pantry space. Lots of room in your pantry. Domestic refrigerator. All adjustable shelves to fit your needs. Heat and all temperature controls are right here. Awning, slide switch for the back. Hot water monitor panel. Nice little bathtub, vanity, medicine cabinet. And the nice bonus about this particular model that a lot of people like, this is kind of a toy hauler. So it's got a ramp right here that folds down. Got a space in here that you can put a little quad or something in here. It's got tie down spots, exhausts. And you have additional beds up front too that give you more sleeping capacity, and storage in here. So right over here you've got a spot where you can take your TV, put it in here and hook it up if you want to watch it outside underneath your electric awning. Got frameless windows, very nice, very appealing. Good tint to them. Sewer hose goes in your bumper in the back. It's got a big storage area down below, under that area, accessible from outside. Cable hook up there. City water connector. Here's where you fill your water tank. Of course, hot water here we talked about inside. Power cord hookup, exhaust for your furnace and intake. This is technician's access to the refrigerator. The vent's clear on top. It's got a light on the off-door side, which is really nice. Black water flush. Here's the vent I talked about. So if you have something inside running, you can vent it out. A lot of information. If you have any questions, my email is down below, or heck, you can give me a call direct at 541-554-9581. Have a good day.